Hi everyone, let's solve this problem. Reverse linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list, return the reversed list. So basically you will be given a list and we just have to reverse the list. Now let's try to understand it and code it. So let's say for example, if I have a linked list of length 0, like it just has a null node, then do I really have to do anything? No, I just have to return the list as it is. If I have a single node, then I still can return this particular list because even if I reverse, it will be the same. Now let's understand the use case where we have more than one node. So initially our head points here. We are going to see the recursive approach of reversing a single linked list. So let's understand. So it has more than single element, so I'll move forward. It has more than single elements, I will move forward. It has more than single element, I will move forward. It has more than single element, move forward. Now at this point of time, I have only single element. So in this case, I can just return this. So I will return. So basically I will point my new head here instead of like showing the returning part. So in that case, I'll show you here like how it is happening for your understanding. New head is equals to 5. So now in this case, I should point head 5 to 4. So this particular call is done and I got new head. Head.next should be 4. So I will use head.next equal to head. Head is at 4, dot next is at 5, dot next I can make it as 4. That's how I will be pointing it here. Now I will still be returning, and one more thing is like I have to also ensure that this particular link is cut between 4 and 5. So head dot next should be null. Now again I am returning nh new head. This particular call stack is done. Now my head is at this point. Head dot next should be pointing to head. That is nothing but I am creating this link and I will be erasing this. Then I will have my new head as this particular 543. Again I will be moving. I am at 3. I am done with this. I will be like once the recursive call is done, it will move to the previous calling, right? So that's why we are moving in the reverse direction. Now again head.next will be pointing to 2. We will break this link with h.next, and I'm just showing you here for better understanding too. And again here at this point, this particular call is done. Now I will be pointing head.next to 1 or head basically, and then I will be cutting it off, or basically head.next I should be making it null, and then we are done with all the elements. So now once I am done with all the elements, I should return the new head, right? That's how it is working. I hope the solution is clear. Now let's try to code it up. So let's say if it has a single node or empty list, we can check this represents empty list and this represents there is only single node. Then I can just return the head. Otherwise we will use the same method to reverse our linked list. We will be passing the next element, and head.next is equals to head, and head.next is equals to null. So basically this is to point when we are at this point, head.next will be pointing to the head again to ensure that we are reversing the linking between 4 to 5 to 5 to 4, and head dot next will be null because we have to cut this link. So we are done with that. Now we will just return the new head. We are done. Let's submit it. It's accepted. And time complexity of this solution is big of n to traverse all the nodes, and space complexity of this solution is also big of n if we are considering the recursion space. If not, it is big of 1. I hope the solution is clear. So let me reiterate over what we have discussed. Basically, we will keep ensuring that the node is either a single node list or if it is an empty list. If that is the case, we will return. Once we return, once we get this particular node, new node, what we have to do is basically we have to keep creating the reverse linking. So what will we do? When we are at the head, we will do head dot next so that we are pointing 5 to 4, and then we have to cut the edge from 4 to 5. So we are using head dot next equal to null. So in the same way, we keep iterating and forming the reverse list, and then we will return the new node. I hope the solution is clear now. Thank you.